Hello everyone and welcome to chapter 14 lesson 5 retrieve view information and drop view. We can use Oracle data dictionary views to retrieve view information. We can use user underscore views data dictionary view and all underscore views data dictionary view. User underscore views, it provides a list of all views that you own. All underscore views, it provides a list of all views to which you have access. For example, select view underscore name text from user underscore views. It provides you all views that you own. Here we have 4 views and this is the select statement for each view. If we want to remove the view from a database, we can use drop view command. Example, drop view depth v1700. So here in this example, the view depth v1700 will be removed from the database. So in this lesson we learned how to retrieve information about the view from data dictionary and how to drop a view. I hope this video was informative for you and thank you for watching.